Alright, more interruptions. Alright, I gotta went ahead and put the seat on there while we're not on video. Okay, now I'm going to try to put the rear springs on here, which are going to be a little bit harder to do. So, getting those things in there is definitely interesting. First thing I do is mount this side. I beat on the squares here a little bit to get them to slide a little easier. Looks like the video is way too high to see anything. What a shocker. Alright, so this slides up fairly easy here. But I'm sure once I put the springs on there, it won't be very easy anymore. So, where the hell's the damn hole at? Alright. So we have a bolt that goes up through the bracket here. The bolt is retained by the inside of square tubing, so you don't have to hold onto it with a wrench. Great. That made a big mess. Drop all your Allen wrenches on the floor while you're trying to get one out of the pile. So if you take your big one here, jam in the square underneath the bolt, it holds it up in there for you. Like that. It's not a bolt in the correct spot. Alright, let's see here. This comes down. Washer right there. Flip it over to make it look prettier. Okay. Take another washer and stick it in the middle of the spring. And take our locking flange nut, nylock style. Stick it in here and try to get it to start. Yep, thought I had it. There I got it that time. Not much room to get in here, so not sure if this locking nut's going to work. Can't get much pressure on here. The nut's down the side of a funnel, and the wrench only hits on a little bit of the nut. At some point I won't be able to tighten it no more. Hopefully after I get it tight. It's becoming more of a problem already. Yeah, good. I can get on the other side of the spring now with it. Spring's going to sit where it wants to sit. No control over that. Nope. So the spring is unsupported. The washer's not underneath the spring to support it. The washer slid all the way over the side. You can't get in with a wrench, so it's really hard to do anything. So it needs a bigger diameter washer if it's going to slide it over like that. So that way if it slides over, you'll still have a spring under it. So these are the biggest washers I could find that were close to working. So each one of these do different things when you torque them down. See, the ones I used are right here. Thought I had some bigger ones floating around here somewhere. The nut drawer, washer drawer. So these are the big ass ones. These are really big ones. These ones have a big ass hole in them, but I don't think they're any bigger on the OD. Yeah, see, they're the same OD, different hole size. That doesn't help me any. These are fender washers, which are too big and too thin. So that leaves this big ass thing here, which looks like crap. Just don't have anything I can use. That's the same diameter that I got. It's pretty much this one here or nothing. So you go from one extreme to the other extreme. I like the looks of these on there. Look like crap. I think that's what we're going to have to use though. Alright, we'll see. So, the washer on the inside. Where's my flange nut? Flange nut and wrench. So, first thing to do is put this here, up under here. See how it just slides over on you? Spring is not happy. So this goes up through the hole right there. There it goes. Slides up in there like that. Where'd my wrench go? There's my wrench. So this you jam up under here. Hold it. Alright, so that's going to sit wherever it wants to sit to, and it's going to probably go to one side or something, who knows. So you got a big ugly washer there, but you have to support the damn thing or it doesn't work. This is going to hook onto whatever it wants to hook onto, which is, you don't have a lot of control over that. Barely hits on anything. You get this nut here. Oh, look at that. One-handed. Amazing, huh? You can see how the nut gets buried down inside the spring so you can't get to it. You can't put a socket in the middle either. That's why the double nut works a lot better. You get one nut in there and you get the top of the other one. The second nut's higher up, so it's out of the funnel. So you get to it. So I'm sliding the nut right now. Actually working halfway decent. See how that washer slid way the hell over. This side would probably work with a thin washer on it, but I'm going to do them both the same. It's hard to tighten the nut up anymore because I got no access to really get into it. Put the box wrench in here maybe. There we go. Oop. Alright. That's about all I can get out of that. It's definitely all I can get out with one hand. With two hands I might have a little bit more chance to get in there, but we'll see. Not really. Try different angles. Nope. That's not all I'm going to get out of it. It is tight, so it is what it is. Might be able to beat that in a little bit further with a hammer. Make it look better. Now it's all the way in. Can't really tighten it anymore. It is what it is. Alright, that's how you do it. One piece at a time. Alright, we'll be back. Work on the other one.